so I hope you're well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video we are doing a vlog. I am so excited for today's video. Honestly, I have been waiting for this day for about a week or so now and I am just so excited to go on this experience with you guys. But before I begin, I do just want to point out the obvious in that I am very hot. It is currently maybe mid 20 degrees, which is warm. It's humid. My hair is not enjoying it. My hair goes very Monica from Friends in the humidity, which is not great.
Okay, when I go places with high humidity, it gets a little extra body, okay?
But we're off to London today, and in London it is currently 28 degrees. I am internally screaming, but we are off to London for a really exciting event. We're going to Lush, of course, and we're going to their Lush Community Lock In event. I honestly just can't wait to go. I'm meeting up with Victoria and Charlie. I've mentioned them both here before, and we're gonna have a really lovely time. Unfortunately, Sarah can't come, which is a real big shame because I would love to have seen her again, but I'm meeting up with Victoria and Charlie. We're gonna have a really lovely time, and I just can't wait to take you guys with us. So that is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna head to the train station, read a bit of my book, chill out, get a coffee and dive on the train and head to LUSH OXFORD STREET. So let's go. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog and I hope you guys enjoy seeing me melt throughout this video because honestly, it's so hot, it makes me feel sick. Okay, so we've made it to Oxford Street after the most stressful train journeys of our lives. I'm here with Victoria and we're heading to Lush to go and do the experience thing. Not really sure, but very excited about it.
No, this is actually really cool. It's not like golden.
Yeah, what?
And it's golden glitter.
Oh. Okay, so we've just done the Let the Good Times Roll station and we've got our star. So now we're queuing up for the skinny dip, I think, or super milk, can't remember which one it is, to do that one as well. So I'm very excited.
Okay, so with your hair, I'm going to actually apply to my hands first so I can get a bit of a nice line.
Yeah, that's a weird one.
And then I'm just going to apply a little bit of moisture.
I pronounce it wrong just because I'm from up north. Do you know this is like this in New York? I'm not going to say it to somebody that you know.
When you go out in the weather, that's going to air dry for you.
Just because like.
And that's when that really gets locked in. So the ingredients of this, the main parts of it are almond, coconut and oat milk. That's just locking in moisture very heavily. And then it's got a slight bit of lemon juice in there for shine on the hair. But honestly, like even I will use it on my braids, like literally, and it locks in my braids for me. And it just keeps them tight because I've got layers. Yeah. So it literally comes out unless I do this basically. It's very multi-purpose.
Yeah, definitely.
And then on the co-wash as well.
Love it.
This is the body spray, but I like to actually apply on the hair.
Yeah, we all do it.
Like I saved for it.
Oh, so good.
So good. I feel like this is the best part out of the whole range.
I love that.
Can't get you out of my head. Try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead.
Say hi if you want. Do you want to say hi?
Yeah.
Hi! We are an hour in and we have 3 out of 6 stars. Are we going to complete it in time? Who knows? Because the queues are ridiculous. But we're having a great time.
What I needed this whole time. I've been around. No one else has got me feeling this way. Every minute, every hour I spend is on you.
Okay, so we've done it. We've got our goodie bags and Charlie's finally made it. She's here! But we're going to go upstairs and see what's up there because we actually haven't been upstairs yet. Oh my gosh, I thought I just broke something. We haven't been upstairs yet, so we're going to go see what that's like. And I'm going to get 2 lip thingies. I look a sweaty mess, so brilliant.
You for a long time. Too bad.
What year was Lush Cosmetics founded? A. 1990.
Yeah.
B. 1995. C. 2000. Or D. 2005.
Hang on.
We invented the bar bottom if that helps.
95.
Yes.
95.
95 is the correct answer! Amazing! Give the wheel a spin, my lovely. And mini bubble watch! Mini bubble watch. Lovely.
Hi everybody, so I was editing this video and I realised not only have I not filmed an outro, I didn't show you what was in the goodie bag, I didn't tell you anything after I got home, so I thought I would sit down now and go through all of the things. So the overall event actually was really fun. Basically the gist of it was to promote the brand new 6 incredible shower gels, which if you guys haven't seen, honestly they are amazing. There's 6 shower gels that were created and they all smell so good. The scent range is just, it's unmatched. Like there's a scent for everybody in these 6 shower gels and they are all delicious and I really want them all. However, I didn't buy any because I really needed some self-control. Anyway, we basically went to the event. There were 6 stations and at each station you basically got to do a demo or make something, or you got to kind of like do a little question and spin the wheel, that kind of thing. So you got one of these cards as you entered, you got the stickers once you completed it, and when you completed it you got the little goodie bag which has a very special product inside. I hope that makes sense. I'm probably explaining it really awfully, but I hope that made sense. Anyway, the overall event, I'm not gonna lie, was really fun. It was really great to see Victoria again. I got to finally meet Charlie, which was so fun. She's so lovely. I also got to meet Rachel and David, and there was also another lady there called Rachel who was part of the Lush community team. She was so incredibly lovely and it was just really nice to speak to her in person and kind of get a few, I don't know, like it was just really nice to speak to her, to be honest, and kind of get a bit of insight as to what's going on within Lush at the moment. So it was really fun to speak to her. I also met one of you guys, which was so nice. So if that was you, thank you so much for saying hello to me. And also I'm so sorry I didn't catch your name, so please leave it down below because I'd love to say hi to you again, and it was just really nice to meet you. So that is the gist of the event. It was so fun. It was so lovely, despite the fact that the train lines were absolutely atrocious. Like Charlie's train, honestly I don't know how she held herself together because she was like 2 hours late. It was an absolute nightmare. I think because of how hot it was that day, there was a lot of issues going on with travel and it was just an absolute nightmare. So I'm glad we all did finally make it and we all got to meet each other. I think we definitely should meet again. So if you guys are watching this video, we need to plan a meet sometime soon because I would love to have a whole day with you guys. But anyway, that was the event. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog and I know you guys are dying to see what's in the bag, so let's dive in. So there are a few things in here which I was ever so kindly gifted at the event, but I did buy 2 things because let's be real, I went to Oxford Street. Your girl cannot come home empty-handed. Now my mum actually sent me a little list of things she wanted, and out of like 5 things they had 1 thing there that she wanted, so I picked it up for her, and that was the peach lip jelly, which I didn't even know that Lush did these. Are you gonna focus or are you gonna focus on everything else on the screen? 1 second, there we go. So this is the peach lip jelly. It's this really like beautiful kind of dark red colour. I'm really jealous actually. I kind of wish I got that one. I also picked up the cherry one, which I bought for myself because Victoria tried it on and it looked beautiful. And essentially I think what these are like a mix between a lip balm and a lipstick, I would guess, if I had to. I'm not really sure. Oh, it smells, would you believe, like cherries. I'm literally salivating. It's so good, and that's kind of what it looks like in the tin. Very similar to the solid perfumes, so that's kind of the gist of it. And then the peach one, oh, looks like this. So that's the kind of idea, and it's just something different. I wouldn't probably have bought myself one if I knew how much these teeny tiny little things cost, because these were £15 each. There was no price on them, so I literally had no idea. So I thought, oh, maybe it'd be like £8 or something. No, 15 whole pounds. However, they are really good. They do smell incredible, I won't lie to you. They smell amazing, and they did have a few other flavours. They had cola. What other ones did they have? They had like a grapefruit one, I think, as well. So I am really excited about these, but for £15, it was a bit of a setback. But anyway, I'm very excited about those. So that is what I bought. I was very controlled. I did really, really want to buy more Plum Rain because they had big bottles of Plum Rain there, and I was this close, but I just could not spend £33. So I put it back, and I'm quite proud that I did. But we did get a few free goodies, which is really exciting, so I'm going to show you guys those.
Hey guys! Hey sports fans!
I just had to pause and get Ryan to open the window because it was so hot in here, so I'm so sorry if you can hear cars or seagulls or any of that nature, but I am absolutely melting, so I do apologise. Anyway, as you guys would have seen in the video, we also got to see somebody make the Let the Good Times Roll cleanser, which I am so excited about. I love Let the Good Times Roll a lot. It's so good. It smells like popcorn. It has popcorn in it. If you guys haven't ever used this, essentially what you do is you take a tiny, like, pea-sized amount, you mix it with warm water in your hands, and you just cleanse your face with it. It is not a makeup remover. You take your makeup off first and you use this afterwards, and it's so good. I don't actually know what's in it because there's no ingredients on the pot, but all I know is this is a very hydrating, gentle, scrubby cleanser, and it's so good. So I got a pot of that, which I'm really excited about. I also then got to spin the wheel and answer a question. So basically you answer a Lush themed question. If you get the question right, you get to spin the wheel and you get like a free something. So you get like a lip scrub or a bubble bar, a pair of socks, something like that. So I actually got to take home a mini bubble bar, and of course she gave me Sleepy, which is one of my absolute favourite scents of all time. You guys know I'm a big Twilight gal, so I was so excited about this one, and this is what she looks like. So cute. This is a really beautiful one. So it's pink, purple, and we have a bit of blue on the back. It literally smells like a relaxing spa. That's the only way I can describe it. Like a very gentle lavender smell, and it's so good. So I got to take home that, which again, so thankful about. And then when we completed the star sheet, we actually got given the goodie bag, which contained two things. So the first thing that was in there was this. This is one of the Lush patches. I really want to get a kind of a new Lush tote bag. I did have one years ago, but it got absolutely wrecked because I used it all the time. But I want to get a new one and put my Lush patches on it because I have a couple now. So I have this one, and then the kind of star of the show, the way I screamed, 29 High Street shower gel. Now, if you have never smelled 29 High Street, the whole idea of it is essentially to smell like the Lush shops. So it smells basically like everything you smell in a Lush shop. It's, oh my god, it's so good. Honestly, it takes me back to working for Lush because I bought the perfume when I went to Paul. I went when I worked there, so that was literally like 10 years ago. Ingredients wise in this one, it's got things like jasmine flower infusion, it's got lemon juice, jasmine absolute, lemon oil, lime oil, sandalwood oil, tonka absolute, ylang oil. It's also got gardenia extract. It's got basically all of the yummy ingredients that you find in Lush products in one product, and it is so good. This is basically my most cherished possession now, and I'm gonna have to hide it from Ryan because otherwise I think he is going to devour this. It is so good though. So that was kind of the gem of the day, I would say. So that's everything I received from the Lush lock-in event. I honestly had such an incredible time. So to Lush, if you guys are watching, thank you so much. I love you so much, and I'm so grateful to have been invited, and I had the best time. So yeah, that is everything for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. you.